everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. Today I just want to share a little happy mail I've got over the last couple of days actually. I'm kind of in the middle of an avocado dye, so I thought I'd come up real quick and jump in and do this video real quick, but between my boils here. So if I seem rushed, I apologize. It's not meant. I want to get back down there before it starts beeping. I don't like to leave it too long. So this little package came from my friend Allie, the Cockney Crafter. I won one of her prizes for her big fat Cockney giveaway, and so I've already opened it, as you can see, and read the tag. She made a cute little tag, and it says Happy Mail on it, and it says congratulations. Beautiful, beautiful. And I won this beautiful boho bead. Isn't this cute? It's got a nice little lobster claw at the top and beautiful beads and little heart charm and a little owl charm at the bottom with a little bell. Jingle bell. It is beautiful. Thank you, Allie. It got here safe and sound, and I appreciate it. She's a wonderful crafter. If you're not already subscribed, go check her out. I'll leave her link below. And then I also got another bit of happy mail from my friend Amy, the Crafty Cat. Thank you, Amy. She sent me, she's been crafting a lot with this. I guess it's like children's craft paper, and she keeps talking about how it feels like those last few pages of an old book, the blank pages, like the tip-in ones. And she's right, it does. I love the feel of it. It's like a heavier paper, but it's not real thick. So it's beautiful. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to use it in my fall journal. So thank you for that. And she also sent me this cute little mini notebook. She just altered it a little bit. I love the scallops on it. And she put this cute little tag on the front. How cute. And I love this on here. So, but I love having these little notebooks because I am one of those little note takers when I, watch other videos, or, I find something online I want to look at later. I jot a note, or I jot little whatevers down, and my whole computer top ends up with sticky notes everywhere. So I've begun to start writing everything and jotting it all down in little notepads. So thank you, Amy. It will definitely come into use. And then she made me one of her little wonderful collages, and I love it. I love this. I wonder if that's one of her medieval mirage papers that she has. I don't know. It's beautiful though. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you so much, Amy. And she had it all tied up on the top of this cute little doily on the top. I love her style. She's very shabby chic and vintage and all that stuff. Anyway, back to real quick, I just want to talk a little bit about the avocado dyeing. My avocados, unfortunately, have ran out, and I had to go buy some more. And unfortunately, the cost has gone up. It didn't go up a great deal, but that will mean I need to increase the price in my Etsy, but I promise it will not be an elaborate amount. It will just be a small fraction, just to cover pretty much the cost of having to do to buy the avocados. And because I've been doing a lot more envelopes, they are time consuming because I have to get all the glue off of it. Because if you've ever done an avocado dye and you've tried to dye envelopes, you'll find that it degrades the dye. The glue on the envelope degrades the dye. So if you've ever tried it and then tried to do something else after, and you found that the dye wasn't producing very well, that's the reason why. So it is a little more time consuming, but I promise it will not be an immense amount. It'll just be a small fraction. So they'll still be very inexpensive. compared to a lot of different avocado people that offer that on Etsy. So, and I want to keep it as low as possible for you guys, because typically when I do a die, it's for myself, so I have my stash, and then when I hate throwing away the dies, so I just die up what I can in it, and then I offer it to you guys. So just wanted to let you guys know that. I have pulled a bunch of fall fabrics for the Fickle Fall and Fall in the Air, or Fall is in the Air journal. I will be using both those kits, Fickle Fall, the add-on, and Crafty Cat's Fall is in the Air. And I will also leave those links down below. And so I've cut all the ephemera pieces out. I've started to do a little bit here and there, not a whole lot, but everything is printed out and ready to go. So I think this time I'm going to start with doing some ephemera instead of with the cover. I'm kind of a little undecided on. I've got a couple ideas in mind, but yeah, it still just hasn't come 100% around yet to what exactly I want to do. So I will leave that and do that later. So I figure maybe doing some ephemera might give me a little more inspiration and some more guidance on where I want to go. So hopefully this weekend, my son is off for the weekend with visiting his friends down at the university, and so I'm home to do my crafting for the weekend, so that'll be nice. I'll have a whole long weekend to do whatever I want. So I will see you then. Plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings. Bye, guys.